Gerald with the tip. Gerald with the ball. To Willie. To Steven. To Kamish. Kamish for three. In and out. Rebound Mario. Here comes Coach Mario. Mario to Edsel. Edsel for two. No good.
Parang konti ng player, 5-5 lang.
Pito lang.
Isa nila.
Parang guaranteed hour. Per minutes pala.
Grabe ka.
For three, no good, rebound. Steal by Edsel. Steal by Willie. Five to Jerry. It's on Jerry.
Oo nga daw.
Two is good.
Ay, 20 points ang lamang sa kanila. Mas nakako nila.
Oh, wow.
Sila first game.
20 points?
Alin?
Last game.
Mario.
Sa Toyota?
Steal by Willie. Here comes Jerry again. Willie for two. No good, rebound Mario. Mario long pass to Balls for nine. Willie with the ball. Willie for three. That's good. That's Mike Tuesday. 5-0.
Si Ethan may sakit yan.
Ethan with the ball. Brian. Back to Ethan. Ethan for two. No good. Rebound. His dad. Edsel. Pass to Ethan. It's good. Two.
Wait.
5-2. Rebound Ethan. Here comes Ethan, guys. Come on. Three. Rebound short. Edsel with the rebound. No good. Ethan with the rebound. No good. Rebound. It's good. 5-4. Steven, that's the mission. Here comes Mario. Mario, Steve, almost good. Good by Jerry. Here comes Jerry. The two is good. Nice, dude. 7-4.
No?
Team Red. What a cut. 2 points, good. 7-6. Steven, Jerry, back to Steven. Steven steps out, back to Jerry. Oh, steal by Mario. Here comes Mario. Ethan, oh! Save. For three. No good. Rebound Gerald. Gerald gonna go all the way? Yeah, he does. Rebound Gerald. To Willie. Willie for three. Rebound Jerry. Oh, nice pass. Oh, recovered.
Joke, sure eh.
Sampung try yun ah. Ayun yun. Oh.
to Mario. Ethan for 3 is good. First lead of the game,
Ibang po yun.
Ma'am, you go. Can you be
9-7.
Kaya pala sinaman.
To Steven. Steven for 3 is 2-3. 3-3. Okay. 10-9.
nagalit si Gary na? Tapos, inabol niya.
Ethan again, 3. 12-10. Team Mario. 3. We got Brian. This is slow down. Check, give him some pressure. Here comes Edzo. Edzo back to Ethan. Another 3. Heat check. No good. Rebound. Edzo. To Mario. Mario for 3. Rebound Steven. Steven to Louis. Middle. Spin move. Reverse layup. It's good. 2 points. 12-12. Out of bounds. Then says stay here. That's all. To Mario. Back to Ethan. Ethan for 3. No good. Rebound Steven. Here comes Steven.
After,
Gerald for 2.
pag ano na lang yata, pag 10 minutes na lang, Sam.
Ay, si Troy ka pa.
Looking. Ethan. Ethan for 3. No good. Rebound Steven. Here comes Steven to Jerry. Jerry to stop. Oh, what a move. It's good. 3. 15-12. Gerald for 3.
Yes, Beb.
Ethan serving to Brian. To Esso. Esso for 2. No good. Rebound Kamish. Here comes Kamish. Fast break. No one's running with him. To Willie. Good for 2. It's good. Kamish. Yeah, 11. Team 14. Here comes X. Steven for 3. Rebound. Here comes it. 2-1-2. Oh, decent double team.
Good try.
Rebound Steven.
Sabi ko, isa
Here comes Jerry again. Jerry, well, bench back. Well, with the right hand. Oh, rebound Steven. Here comes Ethan. Ethan's gonna play. No, he thought about it. To Troy. Troy for 3. Rebound Nick. 2 points.
Pala si ano, Jan eh. Jan!
23-16. Uha Brad.
Sayang, dito lang ako ni Joyce.
Brian to Ethan. We got a foul. Second shot, sub. Steven? Steven with the foul? Oh, Gerald? First person on Gerald. Sub, second shot.
Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what?
free throw is no good. Rebound Steven. Steven to Steven. To Jerry. Jerry for three. Got it. Wow. 26-17. Three, yep. Troy. Steal by Jerry. Nope, recovered by Troy. Behind the back. Troy, all the way. Scoop shot. Layup, no good. Rebound Mario. Mario, what a move. Oh, rebound Nick. No, rebound Nick again. To Mario. Mario up for two. It's good. The UCS all the way from Vacaville, right? 26-19. Oh, now. Mario with the rebound. Mario looking. Control. Ethan for three. Rebound Nick. Back to Mario. Control. Oh, what a move. Rebound also. There's a pass. 2 points. 26-21. Steven Abando for two. Rebound also.
Pang-skip pala yung... Kala niya nagsiswimming siya eh.
Sorry. Rebound Steven. Steven Jerry.
Habol na.
Zero. That's zero. Jerry. Rebound.
Gusto naman si Patoy ah.
Rebound Vessel. Two all the way. Rebound out of bounds. Stays here. Sub. Steven out, commit in. Ryan out, in.
Huwag ka dito tumingin, doon ka tumingin. Saan ba nakatingin?
5-point game.
Ah,
Nakakaduling talaga.
tumingin ka sa kanila.
That's Mario.
Kasi mamaya,
Mario drives, back to Brian.
meron niya ako nung Friday,
Ethan for three.
nag-video ako no?
Is
Hindi ko pala na-play.
2-point game, 26-24.
Kainitan na sila.
Yeah, Willie.
Hindi mo na
No good, rebound Mario. For Team Rams. Mario to Ethan. Oh, what a move. No good. Rebound Steven. Here comes Bill.
May kakampi na ba sila?
Bill.
O sila pa rin?
Oh, all the way. Left hand is moved.
May bago na silang kakampi o sila pa rin? Wala pa rin sila.
28-24. 3 minutes and 34 seconds remaining. There's Ethan. Pull up. It's good. 2-point game again. 28-26. Steven. Looking around. Joe. Got a foul. Edsel. First on Edsel. Sub. Edsel out there is in. Ryan in the house. Steven. Finish. Oh, back. Behind the back pass. Oh. White ball. Here comes Brian. Troy for three. Short rebound Steven. Here comes Jerry. Charming is in the house. Well, to Steven. Steven for to Bex, the miss. Rebound Brian. Here comes Brian. Brian to Ethan. Ethan drives for 2. No good. Rebound, Dexter. Here comes Dex. To Willie, to Jerry. 2-on-1. Back to Willie. Willie for 2 is good. 30-26. Timeout. Timeout, White. First timeout. Troy. Troy thought about it. Troy back to Brian. Brian to Mario. Mario's looking for someone to cut. Oh, to Nick. What a pass. Oh, rebound Steven. To Dex. Here comes Dex. To Jerry. Jerry pulls up for 3. Almost. Rebound. He's up with the rebound. 1-on-5. Look at that. Oh. Here comes Brian. To Edsel. Edsel, nice. Stay here. Up Gerald. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute. Edsel to Troy. Here comes Troy. Oh, the attacks. Up. Almost. Rebound Steven. Here comes Dex. Fast break. Oh, finished out about it. Oh, foul. That is a rebound. 2 points. Kamish with 2. 32-26. 30 seconds remaining. To Edsel from Brian. Edsel for 2 is good. 32-28, 20 seconds. 10 for 3. Short. Rebound in. 7. 5. 3. And that's the end of the half. 32. Wow.
6 hours. Hindi naman sila sila mag-
J and J. 2 points Jerry.
Dito, from here.
2.5.
34-28. That's Team J. Brian.
Pero dinidate trip namin pa.
To Edsel, Stinley, block by Steven. To Ethan for 2. No good, rebound Nick. No good, rebound Nick again. No good, rebound. Here comes Ethan for 2. No good, rebound Gerald. Here comes Gerald, running down the court. To Steven. Oh, too high. White ball. And now Brian, Ethan. And now. What? Jerry. Raise it up for 2.
Pero kasi yun, para puntahan mo yung lugar na yun, kailangan mo maglakad. Tapos,
36-28.
tapos, pero ano, may COVID at saka may bato.
Public. Ethan for 3.
Ano madali niya? Hindi naman gano'n kanina.
Here comes Steven. To Steven. Steven, a bundle for 3. And then rebound. Here comes Edsel. Edsel all the way. Oh, we got a foul. Steven. First personal foul. First team foul.
Tapos yan, na-upload mo na. Hindi.
Edsel shooting 2.
Upload mo na, tapos delete mo na. Tapos i-delete mo na. Parang nandun na siya
First
forever.
no good.
Dapat meron akong YouTube,
Libre naman yun.
sa mag-YouTube na.
Yung Gmail mo.
Second free throw.
Gumawa
No
ng
good. Rebound. Steven.
course lang nila sa Papa.
Steven to Gerald.
Kasi natabunan na yung dati.
Here comes Gerald. for 2. He's good. 2 points, Steven. Thirty-eight, 10-point lead. Steven, back to Steven.
Talaga ayaw maglaro.
To Willie.
Sino?
Si Julia.
And it's to Willie.
Na ano na kasi siya eh.
Rebound, Troy.
Maski nung nagkakasal.
Here comes Troy.
Hindi, no.
Troy.
Freshman year niya.
Splits the D, goes around the
Tried
Steven.
again,
And now
pero
Steven. Oh, what a move! Wow. That's, baby Nets, baby Nets. 38-30.
Nung
Great,
Friday,
not
nung
bad.
Thursday,
Oh,
gusto nang
mid-range.
umuwi
Oh,
ni
not
Chor
bad.
after ng game kasi first game sila dito.
Edsel?
Itong dalawa, yun, nandun siya
Second
kasi.
personal, Edsel, first
Oh,
team
pag kami
foul.
nanonood kami sa'yo, wag mo nang umuwi.
Yeah.
Nag-station. Sabi ko,
Second shot,
Tumawag
7
siya.
David.
Sabi niya, pwede ba akong manood muna?
Parang sinasabihan nila.
First personal, good. Sub. Sub,
Gusto
sub.
niya nang umuwi.
Kala niya pagagalitan siya.
Are you guys okay then? Sinong nagagalit? Si Daddy Jeff, no? Strict ko to eh. Sinong strict ko? Ikaw o si Jeff?
Good.
Basta
Shot,
pag
very
sinabi namin na,
40-30.
Hindi.
ano naman siya,
2% on the free throw line. That's Mario for 2. So good. Rebound back to Nick. To Brian for 3. Third rebound, Nick.
pumunta ba si Ethan?
Ooh. Almost good. That's it.
Pumunta
For
din
2.
si Ethan.
So good rebound, Gerald. Gerald.
Yun din sinabi namin, kung pupunta si Ethan, pumunta ka. Wala si
Ooh,
Ethan.
almost good by Ethan. Almost good by Ethan. Good pass up to Ethan. Ethan all the way. It's good. Jerry for 3. No good. Rebound Nick.
Sabi namin, San Francisco.
Here comes Exxon.
Oo, Ocean Beach lang
All the
naman pwede.
way. Rebound Jerry. Here comes Jerry. To Willie. Willie backward. Oh, no good. Rebound Jerry. Wow. Huh? No, we did it already. Yeah, we did it the free throw. 42-32. No one made it. Steven Abando to Jerry. Jerry for 2. Wow. Yeah. No? It is. 40%. It's too up. Charles in the house. Rebound Jerry. Jerry to Gerald. Here comes Gerald all the way. It's good. Edsel for 2. Nope. Rebound down. There's Jerry. To Willie. To Steven. Steven blocked by Edsel. Steven for 3. Wow, recover. Good recovery. 49-32. Team Browns is pulling away. Edsel for 2. First rebound, Steven. Steven long pass to Jerry. Jerry all the way layup was good.
Bakit may video, hindi ko malaman.
51-32.
Ako din yan yan. Yun yung ninak-comment. Ang ulo ko nandun na.
Timeout. Second timeout taken. 1 remaining.
Oo, naman maglakad. Wala na.
Rider.
Rebound, Nick, long pass to Brian. Nick on Brian. All the way. Oh, pass to
Hindi
Ethan.
nag-shoot to eh.
Gerald, to Steven. Back to Gerald. Brian, to Charlie. Oh, steal by Steven. Here comes Steven. Waiting to Gerald. Gerald for two. No good. Rebound Steven. To Willie. Willie for three. Wow. Just like Tuesday. Short pass to Nick. 2 points.
Pasa pala yun. Naglalakad na lang eh.
In and out. Rebound. Nick.
Parang hirap na hirap si Brian.
Wala?
Brian lang.
Go, Troy, go! Oh.
Binigay sa tama eh. Tinuturuan niya.
Shot, Troy.
Troy for three. In and out. Rebound. Nick back up again. No good. Rebound. Nick again. Another rebound. 2 points Ethan.
Baka tawa ko. Yan.
Malaki ang tiyan.
Ganyan makatawa ka.
Mas malaki ang tiyan.
Nakachang ko.
Mas malaki ang tiyan.
Ito dito. Dapat ganyan daw katawan ko.
Parang ganito. Pero mas malaki pa yung tiyan. Sa 29. Mataba ng konti. Oo, di ba? Pero mas malaki na yung konti yung tiyan.
Konti na lang. Less kanin.
Ganyan yun dahil.
Huwag tayong magkanin. Eto.
Ang hirap.
Wow.
Naglaro ka na?
Ano? Mayroon.
Oo.
Oo, bumalik ka natin.
Bumalik ka ulit sa rin.
Try ko yan. Tulog ako eh.
Hindi pa rin ako makain.
Uy, si Tito Boy, ano ko? Friend ko sa
Nagre-reply ba? Palaro. Lagi na sa Facebook yun eh.
Iyan mo kayo siya. Nagla-like siya sa picture ni King.
Oo. Ay, nakita ko ka. Nag-ano. Comment.
That's all the way. Alright, finish. 16:45. It's Mario. So that's all the way. It's good.
Wow! Wow!
16:47. So really thought about it to Jerry. Jerry, 0, and 1.
nag-gym ni, ano.
I know. Si Ethan din, hindi.
Sabi ko, pa-cancel mo na yan.
Oo, kasi sayang yung monthly.
30 pa.
Sabi niya, hindi daw.
Hindi. Ito din ayaw.
And
Just
good.
now.
63-47. Mario, layup is good. 63-49. Still by Ethan. Here comes Ethan. Holds for three. No good. Rebound zero.
Joke din, parang sa
To
bawal.
Jerry.
Pangkat na si
To Steven. To Gerald. Still by Mario. Still by Gerald. Up. Axel for two. Rebound Steven. Hold the ball, kid. Hold the ball. Steven, oh, thought about it. To Jerry. Jerry for three. Rebound Axel. Oh, Jerry. Oh.
Ito dito sa
Jerry for two. Good rebound Brian. Brian to Axel. Back to Brian. Troy for three. No good. Rebound Jerry. Here comes Jerry to Willie. Willie for two.
pinabon.
Hindi ka matakbo.
65-49. So, that's supposed to be. What a move! Oh, rebound Steven. What goes? Here we go. To Steven. For three. Good, rebound Troy. Here comes Troy. Behind the back. Axel for two. No good. Rebound Ethan. Ethan back up. Short. Rebound Gerald. Here comes Gerald to Jerry. Jerry thought about it. Oh, throw by Ethan.
Hindi, parang nasa.
Ethan all the way. And we got a foul. And one. Pumanel, second personal. 13 foul. Now the basket. 65-51. Let's go.
Sick where? In the head? Sampo na pala eh.
Jerry to Willie. Willie, reverse layup. Oh, no good. Rebound Ethan. Here comes Ethan. Ethan, all the way. Layup is good. Someone got to stop that guy. 65-54. 3:32 remaining. To Willie for three. No good. Rebound Mario to Ethan. Here comes Ethan. 1-on-4. Stop for three. No good. Rebound. Jerry. Oh.
Sundot yung pa.
Naman. Injury set up.
Wala din.
Alam mo tong ito?
Steven.
Ay, ganun ba?
Oh.
Di pa nakuha na ito.
Black ball. 68-54, 2:25 remaining on the clock. Oh, so that is good. 70-54. Clock's gonna remain running since the lead. 2 minutes remaining. Clock will keep running. Behind the back to Gerald.
Bitin.
Deep for 3. No good. Rebound Steven. Ethan White.
Kaya hindi na pwede maglaro si Seb.
14th foul. Clock is gonna keep running.
Pumadin ka pa rin.
Steven for 3.
Shirty. Si Wally. Si Steven ba?
Steven.
Oo, Steven na. Si Steven. Naka 30.0.
Rebound Steven P. To Kamesh. Here comes the Kamesh. Lays it up for 2. Huh? Oh yeah. Sorry.
Kamis, funny shot. Steven.
Color? No?
Wally pala yung Wally. Willie, Wally.
You play it? Yes?
That's it, that's it. Is it? Is it?
Try.